Hello guys, today I am going to discuss with you what is personalized visuals in Power BI service and how we can enable personalized visuals for users. So right now I am in Power BI service and I published one report using two visuals. One is cluster column chart and second one is cluster bar chart. And when I hover the mouse any visual, so you can see here, I hover the mouse on second visual. So here I have one personalized visuals icon. So when I click to personalized visuals icon, so you can see here personalized pane has been open. And here we have some options like visualization type, axis, legend, values, and tooltips. So by default, in visualization type, it is showing me cluster bar chart because that is my existing visual type. Suppose instead of cluster bar chart, I want to use line chart. So simply click to cluster bar chart. So you can see here, now I have some charts option has been enabled and I simply select line chart. So you can see here, my existing chart has been changed with line chart. So this is the benefit of personalized visuals. User can change the existing visual type as per their need in Power BI service. And also user can add the new field in chart. So simply click to personalize icon and you can see here I have plus icon. So click to plus icon. Now my dataset has been enabled. Orders is my dataset and under order dataset I have all fields. Now I want to add product subcategory. So simply select product subcategory. So you can see here I added one more field, that is product subcategory, and cancel this and expand the all hierarchy. So now you can see here product subcategory has been enabled. So furniture here, furniture is my product category and bookcase is product subcategory. So this is the benefit of personalized visuals, and these all operations user can perform in Power BI service. Now I will show you how you can enable personalized options at desktop level. So prerequisite for these features, firstly you have to update your Power BI desktop version with latest version, and then go to the file and click to option and setting, then click to option, and under preview and feature make sure personalized visuals option has been enabled. So you can see here personalized visuals, and then go to the report setting and go to the down. Here personalized visuals option has been checked, right? Then click to OK. After click to OK, when you hover the mouse any visuals, you will see the personalized icon. So you can see here this is personalized icon. And now I'm going to hover on first visual. So you can see here this is personalized icon. Now I want to stop users to change the existing visual type for first visual. So for this, select first visuals, then go to the format bar and then go to the down below and under visual header setting, you can see here this is personalized visuals. So turn off the personalized visuals. So now you can see here for first visuals there is no personalized visuals. So that means user can only change the visual type for second visuals, because for first visuals I turned off the personalized visual setting. So from here you can manage the personalized visual settings and then simply publish this report to cloud. So when you publish this report to cloud, you will see like this. So hope you understand how you can enable the personalized visuals for users and what is benefit of personalized visuals at Power BI service. So using personalized visuals, user can easily change the existing visual type as per their need, and also he can add the some field for analysis purpose at Power BI service. Thank you guys.